Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is your boy Pedro back with another video for the channel. Today we're gonna talk about COTPS. Yeah, about COTPS. Today is the 16th. Is right now in London is 11:38 p.m. The time I'm starting to record this video. So it's almost, well, I could say 22 to midnight. As you guys know, many people are very, very anxious right now, very expectative about tomorrow, which is the 17th. As many people, as we said last week, like there is a rumor going on about COTPS coming back between the 17th and the 21st of September. We don't know how true that is. For me, I will keep saying I'm not gonna put date on this because this thing is just heartbreaking right now. But we don't know. We don't know yet. So tomorrow is the 17th. Or in about 21 minutes will be the 17th, basically. But especially it's gonna be weekend. I pretty much doubt it. So let's talk maybe the 21st, if so. Okay, but I really don't know. But what I want to talk to you today about, as I promised last week, so I'm gonna bring in so we can check the wallet, like what is happening in the wallet. The money, as I can see, the money is doing movements, like the money that was frozen, it's still it's been unfrozen. Yeah, right now it looks like there is a lot of movement going on. The money is still working, but we are the only one are not getting paid. So anyway, welcome. Stick to the end of this video. So we're gonna talk today. We're gonna talk about let me bring this one here. So we're gonna talk about COTPS, WOTC, and yes, we will talk a little bit about AAS, and we're gonna talk about crypto in general, i.e. Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin because I think it was last week, I did a weekly analysis. I think I'm gonna do more weekly analysis on Bitcoin, so you guys can be ready when it is about to reverse. So you can buy whoever wants to buy Bitcoin, so you can get ready. So we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. As I told you, like from I think last week or 2 weeks ago, I did the analysis on Bitcoin. And I did say for me, it's still gonna go down. So I'm waiting for Bitcoin to continue going down until to the certain point where I said think about around 12, maybe 12,000. I'm not sure, but we'll check it today to see where it is right now. But I did say I think it's gonna continue doing, as I said, I'm not gonna be surprised if it's going sideways. So I think it's still going sideways, but you can still, while it's going sideways on the smaller time frame, you can still make money through that. But we'll talk about that. So we're gonna start talking about COTPS, WOTC, AAS, and Bitcoin. So today is the 16th of September. So this will be the update for the week. So it is Friday. I wanted to include Novatech as well, but I'll do Novatech maybe tomorrow, Saturday. I'll do the video completely just by for Novatech. Will be tomorrow, Saturday, because right now I'm already tired. Yeah, I'll do Novatech tomorrow, Saturday. It looks much better, but we might get the official percentages, because today we got paid about 3.08% again, just like last week, which is good because it's consistent. It's getting pretty consistent, which is good. But anyway, let's move on. So right now, everyone, welcome. My name is Pedro. If you don't know me yet, my name is Pedro, and welcome to this channel. Let's start talking. First of all, subscribe to the channel and comment. Like right now, when we're gonna talk about AAS, I would like you guys to comment, like really comment like what you think, because I want to hear your ideas as well. I want that interaction, especially I saw on Telegram group. If you are not on this Telegram group, guys, you're missing out, because there are a lot of discussion that happen in that Telegram group. I really today they made me laugh about AAS and other stuff. So if you are not involved in the Telegram group, there will be a link in the description, and the link for Novatech will be in the description. The link about Tower Capital will be in the description as well. So feel free to join us in that one. So yeah, so about COTPS, let's go to the wallet and see what is happening. For me, guys, as I said, I've really moved on, but it's a lot of money that is in COTPS, so you can't really, say, okay, that's it, enough, I'm gone. So that part of you is still bringing you, but on all honesty, we have moved on in other investments, and we're doing very well. But anyway, let me bring you the wallet, so we can all see what is going on with this is the wallet. So right here, as you can see, people are confusing with this big number. Okay, when we're reading the numbers, so the number that we're reading is this one below right here, because I normally see comments that people trying to correct me saying, oh, it's no billion USD, is billion TRX. No, this one is TRX is right here. Okay, this is the big number, is TRX. The dollar value is right here. This is the conversion in value. So right now, this is the cold wallet, which is 5,355,600.98 pence P. Okay, this is the cold wallet. Okay, so as the way it looks like, there have been more movements in this wallet. So as you can see, there are movements like 2 days ago. The last one happened 2 days ago. Another one happened 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 9 days ago. So it looks like the money's been it's been unfrozen. So I don't see why they're not paying us yet. I don't see why it's not coming yet, so we can, even though they're not gonna trade, but at least they should find a way to pay us. And this one here, which is the hot wallet, I'm very surprised, to be honest, because the hot wallet now is holding a lot of money. Normally it only holds like the maximum mostly goes to billions, 1 billion or less. It goes to millions, 800 millions, 500 millions, and that. But right now, I don't know what is going on. I think this is 3 billion, right? 3 billion 900 and 3 billion 391 million 172,199 dollars. So I'm surprised, like this is what is going on. So in total now, I think they have around 8.3 or 8.4 billion right now in total. So it's still something, it's still a lot of money. So the money is still around, still going on, coming off, going on, coming off. So I don't know what is really going on right now. I really don't know. Okay. The money is, they're still trading, basically, as you can see, they're still trading. The movement is still happening every single day. They're making money every single minute. But how come they cannot come and pay us? I've got no clue. So that's why we just have to wait and see the 17th and 21st what's gonna happen. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the app, the website. So, because many people think like the website is still the same way, so it hasn't really changed that much. Still, it's still, as you can see right here, the website is still the same. It hasn't changed. So right here, if we go do the same thing, you can see right here, we still haven't got our numbers there, because normally we'll just get the numbers according to the recovery. We will get the numbers here that will tell us, okay, our money is ready in the account, so we can now either start trading or start trading or start withdrawing. But the way it looks like, it's not happening that way. Yeah, it's still empty right here. It's still empty. So this is what is happening as of today, 16th of September. So nothing has changed. Nothing has changed really. So yeah, nothing has changed. It's still the same, even though it's still opening, but the transactions here are not showing and the money is not showing. So we actually don't know what is going on. Okay. So I will not keep it that way, like about the dates. I'm not sure, but we're gonna wait and see, because sometimes those dates happen, things happen, sometimes not. Most of the time it doesn't, but yeah, let's wait. We just can't be too skeptical. So sometimes we just have to believe and see. So this is what is happening. And now let's move on to WOTC. So guys, about WOTC, I think they're gone. It's been we can confirm that is a rug pull. for me, I'll say is a rug pull, because I've done the withdrawal. Yes, I think yesterday. I did it yesterday and before yesterday, and the money didn't happen. I mean, didn't come to my account or anything like that. So right now I'm considering this is a rug pull. WOTC is a rug pull. And I've seen many people, I think, have listened. I haven't seen people depositing money. I'm still seeing people joining. Right here, as you can see, this is WOTC. I'm still getting, people are still trading, I think. So if we do this, well, it's not happening anymore. But anyway, so if we go here, let's see if, yeah, it looks like it's not even working anymore or something like that. So for me, WOTC, it's gone. Okay, guys, it's gone. For those that are still trading, I think it's wise just to stop wasting your electricity or anything in your house, especially right now that the energy is expensive. So there's no point of keeping your computer on or your phone or whatever, so you can trade. So actually just forget about this. WOTC is gone. I hope nobody has lost their money, as we said from the beginning. I really, really hope that nobody has lost money on this. But if you have, man, I'm so sorry, but this doesn't look good for me. It looks like they're gone. I tried to do the withdrawal for the past 2 days, and nothing really has happened. Nothing. Okay. I haven't seen anything at all. Okay. Nothing has happened. So that is it about WOTC, and we spoke about COTPS. Now let's move on. I'm gonna do the Bitcoin at the end of this video. So stick so you can see what is happening and what is my view on what we should do, or where we should buy when we see opportunity to buy. So right now, let's talk about AAS. About AAS, guys, this is I'm gonna put the last audio so we can analyze what is going on. This is the last audio that I've received. I've heard from the owner, well, the CEO, the owner of AAS. So let's analyze then, so we can all hear what they're saying, and then I'll put my comment to see. But on this one, guys, I really want you guys to comment a lot, and I will get your reactions. Probably I might make a video according to the according to the reactions that I will get. So first of all, let's listen and make our own conclusions. Okay, let's listen.
Time. Who took it upon themselves, lifting up their right hand, which is a sign of victory, saying to themselves, is enough of losing our hard-earned money to Ponzi platforms. Is enough of we as Spartans, knowledgeable Spartans of our time, losing our hard-earned money to centralized systems that are designed by man to take money from man and never to return the same money to man rather disappear to the air with them, leaving us in perpetual pains, tears, finger burns, regret, abuse, and insult from members who believe in us that lost their money. Who say to themselves, the time has come of which every man, every human on the surface of the earth is to stand tall on their feet, knowing too well knowledge is the way to go. Without knowledge, we'll keep losing. We'll keep funding platforms that are not real. We'll keep feeding men who knew too well the program systems they have at hand are all running on a wallet address. Hosting the cloud. Knowing too well these are Ponzi platforms. Hello, Spartans. Hello, knowledgeable members. Hello, crypto members. Hello, AAS members. I want to talk to you this morning. My name is Jesam Michael, Jesam Michael, a crypto lover, a member lover of the blockchain ecosystem that is in to rebuild our lives and give good news and better living to our lives. I want to talk to you this morning. A week ago, I came up with a news telling you that 96% of the job is done. The remaining 4 to 5% remaining is a writing of the code of the ASI. Writing of the code. And I am hiring a higher company, bigger company, a foreign company that understands the system that has written this code before. I am hiring them to come in and do the job. Which they said I should give them 14 days after payment, they will do the job. And we made the payment and they started the job, which I've been following critically. Back to back, following to be sure what I have labored for to build 95%. No human, no company, no individual will make mess of it. And so far, they've been doing a good job. As of yesterday, the job is fully done. The part they are now as a company, as professionals who has been in the field or ecosystem, if they are done doing a job or building a job or writing a code for a job, it is their responsibility to net it and be sure of what you pay for or what you and them to do, the agreement you wrote with them with their lawyers sign that is in place. It is their duty as professionals to test net it before giving it to you. That is what they are doing now. That is a part they are playing now. That is what is ongoing now. As of yesterday, breaking this morning African time, that is what they are doing. I am watching very closely to see what they are doing. And for those of you who are glamoring, why can't we fund now? Why can't we fund now? Listen, I've told you time without number. I didn't build an e-commerce platform. I did not build a Ponzi platform. I did not build a forex platform where you can fund and your money will be in. I build a technology that at the perceive of your money in the system, the timer will kick up immediately and start counting to 24 days. And once the 24 days elapse, the system is to pay you 1.6%. Either you work or not. Now that will be to my own detriment, just as Michael who built a platform. I didn't build a centralized Ponzi platform that will not perceive or take in to give back to the community. I build what will liberate, take in, and give back to the community. I build a technology. I didn't build a Ponzi platform. Let me break it down for you. For example, if I ask you to do the funding of your account now, immediately you take the wallet in your back office of AAS and go to any platform of your choice and deposit money to that platform. Immediately your money, your USDT rather drop in your back office in AAS. The timer will They start immediately. Pam, 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 pam. That means the job has started. For the fact that the job has started, in 24 hours, the timer will cycle a cycle, will do a cycle, which is a 1-day cycle of 24 hours. That means you are due for 1.6% payment. And nothing. Remember, these are command and code that you sat down, program, and write them as an agreement into the system. Agreeing with the system to pay to human 1.6% per day, meaning there is no editing. Because it has been inputted into the system, you can't edit it. You can't go back to the system and tell the system, I forgot that I didn't ask them not to fund. Now that they fund, please pause. The system will never pause. The system does not respect or yield to human complaint when commands have been given. The system is programmed to take action, implement action, go with action, deliver with action without a human feeling or considering how human feel, because the system is programmed to do the right thing. For the first time, so if I ask you to fall now, the timer will start immediately, and at the end of the day, which is one cycle, the system will take money from the liquidity pool and pay you 1.6%. Remember, the ASI has not been implemented into the system. If these guys are done with the test net they are doing, and they send the system to me, which is the ASI system, which I told you 2 days ago, if they are done, they are to do the hosting in the cloud, then I will go into the cloud and pick up the system to do the implementation in the motherboard of our own system. Why? It will be very wrong to take to give them login details of the motherboard of our own system, which is 95% ready, for them to do implementation. It's too risky. You can't do that. It's a foreign company. This is a different company. They are not part of AAS. We hire them to do the job. That means what we need to do is to ask them to host the job done already in the cloud. Then we can pick it from the cloud and do the implementation in our own motherboard to take off from there. So now, for the fact that the ASI, Artificial Special Intelligence, has not been placed in order in the motherboard platform to take up the deposit you are going to drop, to run in between the exchanges are selected. That means the timer will start counting and you will be paid 1.6%. You will be paid 1.6% per day without the ASI on board to do the trading, to return the profit and capital, to enable the system pay you that 1.6%. I, as a company, will be the one losing, because if the ASI is not on ground to pick up the money from the liquidity pool to run in between the selected 5 exchanges to make profit and return both the profit and capital, and you are earning 1.6% per day without doing anything with your capital, I am the one running into losses. So with all of these guys, I decided to drop this voice note with you to inform you that we didn't come in to play, we didn't come in to joke, we didn't come in to use naysaying words or verbal words of men to entice you because we want you to feel happy. No, we come in to remind you that we build a technology for the first time to serve humanity without delay, without favor, without fear, but delivering as programmed to make sure humanity are end without suffering or pain, without lifting their fingers, but with joy and their 2 eyes closed, going to bed, knowing too well for the first time they bought into a real platform. Hello, guys. I didn't come to entice you with words. I come to fulfill that which I promised you from day one. I told you I am going to build a system that will serve humanity. Here we are. I told you I'm going to build a system that will trade 24/7 for humanity. Here we are. I told you I'm going to build a system that will not take withdrawal fee from humanity. Here we are. I told you I'm going to build a system that the liquidity pool will be in Binance. Here we are. I told you I'm going to build a system that the API will be coming from Binance. Here we are. I told you I'm going to build a system that the payment gateway will be coming from Binance. Here we are. I told you I am going to build a system that will pay you 1.65% per day. As human grow, liquidity pool grow, the percentage will keep growing. Here we are. I told you I am going to do it. And here we are. 99% of the job is fully done. I didn't come to entice you with words. I came prepared. I came to build technology, not a broker forest site. No. So guys, we are counting days. We, as AAS family, we are counting days. We are counting days. We are closely watching. We are closely on it. We are taking it off from here because we are counting days. I am patiently waiting for the company I hired to do the code writing, to do their test net and be sure what I paid for is okay, is well to do, can deliver. They will send it to me, then I will take it myself and do the implementation by myself and do my own test net as well. Not based on what they say, but based on what I want in the system. So guys, at this level now, days are counting. They are done with the job. The next thing is for them to do the test net and delivered as they said in 14 days. Then from that 14 days, personally, I will then do the implementation, which will take not less than 72 hours or 90 hours. Then sit back, making sure the speed is okay, the delivering is okay, the exchanges to integrate it are okay. Then we will ask every one of you to get ready. But this is what we are going to do now. Immediately they deliver the job, step one, we are going to ask you to do funding. But we've already this morning moved into the system to pause the timer, to take out the timer reading, to make sure it's paused so that it will read. Then we will ask you to do the funding. Immediately you do the funding, we can then do the implementation and remove or take out the pause button. Then the ASI that is already after test net by them and me can then be released to go in and do the magic. So guys, we want you to be very patient with us. The month of September is 100% pregnant again to deliver. Just like the month of August was pregnant and delivered when we did the signing up of account. The month of September is also 100% fully pregnant and is ready to deliver. Hey, take your ears away from those who said that we are not going to launch this January. Take your ears away from them. Those who said we are going to launch maybe next year, take your ears away from them. I am the man who is pregnant and I have the pregnancy and I know when I'm going to deliver, and the date I'm going to deliver is already written in the diary and I'm watching the date, and that date is same the month of September. Thanks to every one of you. Congratulations to every one of you. Thanks for believing in me. Thanks for giving me your right hand to hold up and to stand still and build a technology for humanity.
Okay, guys, you've heard that. Now tell me what you guys think in the comments. Tell me, or join the Telegram discussion so we can all talk about this. For me, the way you have to take it is an investment. Well, right now we can't say too much because As you guys know, the website hasn't been launched to anyone, so as you heard, they're still doing the coding, and people are doing have deposited for beta testing, which we don't know yet how it looks like. But anyway, we're waiting. We're gonna talk more about it when it's been launched. But right now, for me, I think I will not take it as it comes, as it says, because the way it looks like you just haven't put your money, that sit down, sleep, relax, blah blah blah, doing nothing. I think take it as an investment. Okay, just take it as an investment. You always, as an investment, you always have to invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so right now the platform is starting with $20. I think it, well, not right now, when it's gonna launch, it's gonna be starting with $20. So if $20 is what you can afford to lose, then fine, start with $20. If it's 200 that you can afford to lose, start with 200. If 2,000 is what you can afford to lose, you start with 2,000. But if you think you are too skeptical, well, is an investment. Okay, that's what is investment all about. You know, they are where when you're gonna make money, and there are some places where you're gonna lose money. If it was easy, like you just put the money you win, put the money you win, everyone in the world would be doing it, because obviously you're just gonna put money in, and after that you can't do anything anymore. But it doesn't work like that. Okay, it's an investment. So is you have to have a risk appetite. So choose well, like what type of risk you can take and what you cannot take. So right now I don't want to drag this video too long, so I'm gonna go to let's do this. Let's do Bitcoin, because that is what we missed, Bitcoin. So let's do Bitcoin so we can when the audio was passing, I mean, was going on. But don't forget, I want the reaction about AAS. I really want through do the analysis on the audio, then let me know. Okay. Go and comment, tell me what you guys think. Okay. So this is Bitcoin. Last week I did say I won't be surprised if that's why I put these lines here. So it's going between this place and that place. So if you are a trader, you can still make money from this, like buying and selling. But for me right now, I'll be pretty much waiting to sell all the time, like sell, 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 sell when it gets in this zone, around this zone. So when it creates, like this is daily chart. So if we go 4 hour, you can see right here, it gives you the signal that is gonna go down. And if you go to 1 hour, you can even see much better. Like right here, you can sell. So for me, right now, it's gone back because it went up to 20 something, 22. I think 22 it went at somewhere like that. Let's see. 22,800. Now is now down to 19,000. So from here, if you bought to that place, then you'll make some money. It's still a lot of money. And if you sold here, you can still make a lot of money as well. But for me, the best way is waiting until you get around here, then sell, because I still believe, yeah, it's gonna be quick because I'm ending this video soon. It's been too long now, I think. So I want this one. Well, that's what I want, but it doesn't mean it's gonna happen. But all I'm thinking is gonna do is gonna come around this zone, then will continue going down. I really think when the recession get really bad, many people will sell their crypto, like their Bitcoin, and that will drop the crypto market. So Bitcoin will drop that around this zone. Yeah, around, I said around 12,000. So I'm kind of holding on and see what's gonna happen. but you never know, because right here is creating some type of W on 1 week. I'm not sure if this W will hold. If it holds, then it might start going up. Okay, if it start going up, then obviously you can buy maybe around this zone if we see more green candles. But right now I'm still baiting it to go down. So I think it's gonna play around this zone, play around here, then start going down. Obviously, there's still long time to go for the recession to continue. So especially all this crisis that's going on. So I'll wait to keep going down. Now it's at 19, but probably might come back to around 18, 16, 17. So, you know, around that zone. So I'm still waiting, but when I'll keep this as a weekly update, I'll keep doing it until when we get good opportunity to buy. So we can buy when we see it like really, really ready to start going. So we can get like this type of movement. We can buy, or imagine if you get all this, that is magic. So, but right now I'm still thinking it's gonna continue going down. So this is it about Bitcoin. This is what is happening. So um it's still going down, it's still playing around. Even they create W here, but I'm not sure it's actually ready. So yeah, let's wait. Next week we'll see how it plays out. If we see some good positions, then I'll give a shout out so we can buy. But right now it's good for selling. Okay. All right. I don't know if I missed something. Did I miss something? I think we talked about everything. We talked about everything on here. Everything here we talked about. And yeah, so I wish you all good weekend. And don't forget to comment about the AAS in Telegram and on YouTube as well. Share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.